Hey Divi Nation, welcome to the next installment of our weekly Divi Design Initiative. If you don't already know, each week we've been giving away free Divi Layout Packs. They come straight from our design team and we give them to you for free. And this week, Kenny and the team have designed for you a professional and practical Handyman Layout Pack. This layout pack includes 7 beautifully designed layouts. Each one really does a good job of organizing the content so visitors can find what they're looking for very easily. And I'm digging the color combo of the blue and the orange. Really looks great. And one of my favorite highlights is the services page, which really does a really good job of having a unique organizational element there. I love the call to actions for each of the services and the really clean use of toggles. I also like the service page, which displays your single service information, which is going to be very helpful for anyone with a handyman type website. So you're going to want to check this out and go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout on your own website. Now, before you can import pre-made layouts like the Handyman Layout Pack from the Divi library, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To check and see if you have done this, go to Divi Theme Options and then click on the Updates tab. There you'll have the option of entering your username and API key. If you've already done that, then you're good to go without any problem and you should have access to all these layouts. Now you're ready to start importing these layouts to your actual pages. So to do that, you'll first need to go and create a new page by navigating to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and enter a title and then deploy the visual builder. Now once that loads, go to the bottom of the page and click on the Settings menu and then click the Load from Library icon. In the pop-up box that appears under the Pre-Made Layouts tab, go ahead and find the Handyman Layout Pack by scrolling down and clicking on it. There you'll see all the different page layouts within the pack. Simply select the one you want and then click Use this layout. Once the layout is loaded to your page, don't forget to publish it. And you're going to want to continue this process to go ahead and create all 7 pages along with the layouts that go along with each one. After that, you're ready to create your new menu. To create your menu, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, Menus. Once there, go ahead and create a new menu, give your menu a name, and then click the Create Menu button. Next, go ahead and select all the pages that you just created by clicking the Select All button and then clicking Add to Menu. Then you can organize all your menu items in the menu structure area. Don't forget to click the primary menu as your display location and then save your menu. And the next thing you're going to want to do is to go and make sure that your home page displays a static page of your home page layout. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then in the home page option, go ahead and find your home page that you created. Select it and then save changes. Now your site is ready to go. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. And I really do hope that you enjoy this new layout pack. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course, like us on Facebook so that you don't miss out on any future giveaways. I look forward to seeing you in our next video, and keep an eye out on our next layout pack, which will be released this Friday. Thanks again. See you soon.